kind of sucks. We just realized about 4 trees. David didn't even realize how big the garage was going to be. It's a really big garage, and we had 4 trees that are in the way. So David came out with his new chainsaw, the steel chainsaw, and he was going to take the trees down. And our bulldozer guy was here still, thank God, spreading the dirt, because we're putting a, what do you call it, a concrete pad with the garage. Now he's about to take out this tree. These are really big, beautiful pine trees, but they are totally in the way. So now this guy's a master. Try not to shake. He starts banging the trees at the base, going back and forth, back and forth. I hope that tree doesn't fall on his truck. I really don't know about that one. Golly, he's incredible, and he's pushing them to the side. This is called experience. Anyway, the guy's going to move his, he's moved everything to the side there, so he's cutting down. And then David's going to chop it up. Oh my goodness. Poor tree. Oh well, we tried to save it. This is kind of the heartbreaking part of clearing, you know, when you've purposely saved some trees thinking that they were going to be part of your landscape, and then realizing it's impossible. And they've got to come out. I mean, we know we have a lot of trees. It's not that we don't have enough trees. It's just that these older trees, we have respect for them. And we would have liked to have kept them with us, but it's not going to be possible. So I think this tree might be the last one, I don't know, that needs to come out, that we're going to save. The crew will be here tomorrow morning early to set the piers, the foundation piers. There will be about 60 of those going in. So the dirt that we got delivered is mostly for the garage, because that's going to be in a concrete pad, but the house will be on pier and beam foundation. And so the drilling of those holes for the piers to be set is going to produce a lot of dirt, extra dirt that we'll be able to use as well. This tree, what he's doing now is he's going around the base of it. He's digging around the roots, pulling the dirt away. And then he goes and he just knocks the tree over. It's incredible. And this guy, our land guy, he's a timber clearing guy. He's he was an agriculture teacher, an ag teacher for years. And very experienced. He knows what he's doing out in the forest, which, you know, you can get people who know what they're doing in construction, but very few people actually know really what they're doing in a forest. He can walk up to any tree and tell you, not just if it's an oak tree, he can tell you the variety of oak tree. He can, you know, tell you everything you'd want to know and more. So we had someone that really understood the root systems for each tree. And there's a few that we know that we've cleared around, and you know, the trees may not survive all of this. The roots may have been disturbed, but we're trying. I think we had one tree, I don't know if they took it out. One tree we were trying to save, but it was actually damaged. When it was raining, the tractor slid. There it goes. Oh, crap. That was incredible. Anyway, the tractor slid and it damaged the bark of the tree, so I don't know. We'll see if that tree can survive or not. Well,